This video will show you how to create transition in CapCut PC. First, add some images or videos that you want to make transitions between. Then click on Transitions. Click on this transition and different groups of transitions will roll out. Of the trends, I use the transition called Mix the most. Click on the transition on the timeline and you will see a table on the right where you can edit its length or you can edit it directly on the timeline. I also like to use transitions from the camera section. You can find there transitions like pull in and out, transitions to the left, right, and all kinds of similar things as well as rotations. Next is the blur section, which will cause all kinds of blurring within the transition. Last one in this video is light section. You will find there, for example, this yellow line that gradually crosses your image or this flash transition. I recommend you to dig through these sections and find new transitions that you will like. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.